Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Liliana from Sugarella Sweets. Today I'm going to show you how to recreate this unicorn gift bag. Hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching. If you want more videos like this, simply subscribe to my channel for free by clicking on the subscribe button. To create a horn, I found this paper at the dollar store, which I really like because it's a really nice metallic sheen to it. So I'm simply going to trace my horn that I printed out from my computer and then cut it out, and I'm going to glue it on top of a cardboard because it is a little bit too soft. What I like about this paper also is because it's a peel off, so it makes my life much easier to just glue it on top of the cardboard. If you can't find paper like this, then it's fine, it's not necessary. You can also use any cardboard that has a gold sheen to it. Glue your piece on top of a white gift bag using hot glue. Choose any color flower that you want, but make sure to cut the stem flush to the flower so like that you don't get any lumps once you're going to glue it to your bag. Glue the flowers at the bottom of your horn using hot glue. Make sure not to burn yourself. I bought eyelashes at the dollar store, which I think they're great because they already have some glue on them. So I'm simply going to glue them on my gift bag, and these are going to create the eyes. I made the ears using white cardboard and the same metallic paper that I used for the horn, and once I glued them both together, I'm going to glue them with hot glue on each side of the horn. Finish the look with silk paper and you have yourself a unicorn gift bag. I really hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching. If you want more videos like this, simply subscribe to my channel for free by clicking on my picture. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up.